Oh, what's up, everyone? It's good to be back in front of the camera. So if you can, well, you can probably see it in the back. I have my new wheel and tire set up. They're 20-inch wheels. I have 20 by 9 in the front, 20 by 10 in the back, going with the staggered setup. I'm getting a wheel alignment done because, you know, you want to make sure that you have a good alignment when you put on new tires. It's just about the tread wear. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to actually have them put the new wheels on because I had knee surgery recently and I can't do things on the ground just yet. So we're here at Air Park Auto Pros. They're going to take care of me, and they usually take care of my stuff. And let me show you the wheel and tire setup from the stock perspective, and then once the new wheels are on, I'll show you from the aftermarket perspective. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you like my new wheel and tire setup. And again, thanks for watching.